So the Amplify product, yet another terrible product that's on the market that's making all of these income claims that are not true, that this person, whoever created it, is not doing themselves. They have no idea what they're talking about. From other videos, I saw that they're selling some kind of software tool that makes animated videos, which isn't even allowed on Amazon to do, so I'm not quite sure where he's going with that. But this is definitely not a product that you want to purchase and learn from to actually make money online. What's sad about this is that it's been the top earner on the Warrior Plus marketplace for about 4 days now. And again, it is not something that looks very truthful. He's using other examples of people who are doing this, but he's actually not doing it himself, so I'm not quite sure how he is able to teach somebody else how to do it. So at least, like, I don't see any claims of him doing it or making money or whatever, whoever is behind this, right? There is money to be had in this marketplace, but I have a link in the description and you'll see I've been working with Amazon and monetizing with Amazon for over a year now, and I'm gonna put the link in the description as to who I learned to do that with, and I think it's absolutely brilliant, much better than this. There's tons of upsells and downsells and all this stuff that you're gonna be going through. This is just a classic example of the typical Warrior Plus products that are making a shit ton of money, like really good money that would make me happy, it would make you happy, it would make your friends happy, it would make you happy if you just created something and then money was just flowing. I know this because it's been the top seller for the past 4 days on the Warrior Plus platform. So people are buying this and they're being steered not in the right direction because it's just a lot. I mean, they show a picture of an amazing car. They have all these total earnings, all these fake testimonials, fake pictures. That's a telltale sign, you know, just seeing testimonials that just don't look real. This isn't real. I'm going to be pointing out some other products on this platform that will just steer you in the wrong direction. If you want to be steered in the right direction and actually learn from somebody who knows how to make money online, I've been doing it for 14 years now, the real way, and I can see the bullshit. This is the bullshit. I'll steer you in the right direction. The training is called AI Freedom, and it's using AI with things that have been working online since the beginning of time, and they still work, and they're the real things that actually do work. If you like this video and you want more videos of me pointing out the crap that is out there, because I see it all, I see it every day, and I will save you, then go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment, tell me about it, and I'll see you on the next video. Again, go ahead, check out the AI Freedom workshop that shows you how to build real financial freedom using the power of AI and not all the other tools and crap that you really don't need to make money. We'll show you the right way. I'll see you inside.